The WoundPack is very similar in size to a 4-inch pressure dressing, but unlike a 4-inch pressure dressing, the WoundPack bandage system contains a selection of components that will allow you to manage a wide variety of wound types and sizes. Inside the WoundPack, you'll find the following components: 4 4x4 gauze pads, a 5x9-inch ABD pad, a pack of compressed Z-folded gauze that's 4.5 inches wide by 4.1 yards long, 36 inches of peelable duct tape, and a 3-inch elastic bandage with Velcro closure. For small to medium-sized wounds, you can use the 4x4 gauze pads to stop the bleeding and bandage the wound. And then you can use the 3-inch elastic bandage to secure the 4x4s into place. If you've got larger surface area wounds or abrasions that are too big for the 4x4, you can utilize the 5x9 ABD pad to manage those wounds. And then again, secure into place with the 3-inch elastic bandage. The elastic bandage has a Velcro closure to help secure it into place. But if you find yourself in an austere environment, a hunting trip, backpacking, hiking trip, field operations, anywhere where you're going to have a long trek out to your vehicle to get to definitive care, you can utilize the duct tape wrapped around the top of the elastic bandage to help secure it into place. If you have deep wounds that have a tissue space, then you'll need to pack that wound space in order to get sufficient pressure to the bleeding vessels. And that's why you have the pack of compressed gauze in the kit to be able to pack that wound. You can then use the 4x4s or the 5x9 ABD over the top of that, and again, secure it into place with the elastic bandage. The main use of the compressed gauze is for packing a wound space. But you can also use the compressed gauze, just like you would roller gauze, to wrap a wound. So if you have wounds on spaces where you don't want to utilize or can't utilize the elastic bandage, you can wrap it with a short section of the compressed gauze and then utilize some of the duct tape to secure it into place. This is great for smaller areas like fingers, hands, necks, forehead, any place where you may not want to use the elastic bandage to secure your dressing into place. For more information on the WoundPack bandage system, check it out at rescue-essentials.com. Stay safe out there.